This is Shalom. She lives in Dubai. She's on a journey to explore the city in her own little way. In today's vlog, she checks out two exciting events just to see what Dubai has to offer, and somehow still ends up discovering a new grocery store she instantly falls in love with. Let's spend the day with her.
Yes. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Good morning.
Kill a person, a human being.
You viewing?
John, can you hold it for a second? Hold on a second.
Alright, boom. So we are going home now with water. It's a 5 liters. Okay.
Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Hello everyone! You go. If I go, you go. If I go, you go. Oh my God, you can't clap. Where's your energy? Clap. Don't sleep. Before we start, we want to dance. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? This way. This way. Yeah, yeah. Say ah, yeah, yeah. Say ah, yeah, yeah. I like that. Now you're gonna shake. Some of you eat too much paratha, you cannot shake. You need to shake it like this. Shake it. Those of you with the drum, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Can I see your hands up? Are you up? DJ, take it down a little. Take the volume down. Okay, that's the end of the class. My name is Ep4.
Tuh. Awa, salt and vinegar, lo listo.